Hey, why I have created this YouTube channel? Friends, I still remember that when I started my health journey on that time, I used to seek the knowledge that from where I can get the knowledge that how to make your physique a great body, how to adapt fitness for your lifetime, and what are the key ingredients of the fitness, what kind of a diets in the market, and how to make your physique your dream body, and how my body is different from the other bodies and other people's physique, and what are the qualities of my physique so that I can make my physique a dream physique in my upcoming days. I had so many questions and so many queries about my physique and the fitness and the diet and all the systems in fitness or life and the fit lifestyle. On that time, I was not able to find out the answers, that from where I get those answers. Always I used to find the half questions and the half answers, that you should use a supplement, you should use the proteins, you should use the no carbohydrate, only salads. So that's why it was not helping me out. And I lost my fitness and achieved my fitness many times in my life. Today in this video, I will give you the 3 reasons that why I have created this YouTube channel and how it can help you out. Hi, my name is Bhupendra and I'm an online fitness coach. I'm a lifestyle expert. I'm the founder of the community Know Your Fitness, and I am on the mission to transform 100,000 lives of working class people of India, to help them out to achieve their health, happiness, immunity and great body. That's why I have created a course known as the Automatic Metabolism System. Friends, it's a say that whether it is possible or whether it is impossible, it totally depends on your determination and your discipline. And if you begin your fitness journey, your determination and your discipline will be developed automatically. I still remember that around 3 years back, when I was diagnosed with the pre-diabetic situation, I was having the problem of high BP, and I was having the problem of break lifestyle and not a good lifestyle in my life. So that's why I was facing the issue, and the problem was that I was been doing workouts and I was been doing dieting for a long time. That's why now I want to create the awareness among the people that what is the right way to adapt a lifestyle or a fitness in your life. Whether you earn lakh rupees per month, whether you earn 10,000 rupees per month. But if you want to achieve fitness in your life, there is a way. There is a cheapest way available. There is the highest or the wealthiest way available in market to adapt fitness. But you can adapt, and I help out the people to achieve their fitness. The number one reason is that I was obese, and I was facing those issues, those health problems like the heart problems, joint pains and all the things, and I was having the poor stamina. And I used to believe that my age has been came, now I have to live my life like this. But there is a way out. So that's why I have started my journey, and I want to die empty. I don't want to keep this knowledge along with me also, because if my channel is going to help the one person on everyday basis, then it will be good for me. Then I think that everything it is my aim to achieve one person every day so that I can help them out. Beside all that, friends, the second reason is this, that I have some compassion towards the obese or overweight people. For those people who has tried many times and got failed, and they have no idea that from how to start this thing again. And what I do for them, that I give them the right knowledge, right tools, and I become their buddy, because I was obese and I was overweight. That's why I can understand their pain. So that's why I treat them well. I give them the tools, I give them the talks, so that it will motivate them and it will give them the idea that how they can modify their diet according to their taste and keep them for their lifetime. This is how my diet helps them. This is how my channel helps them to people develop their own diet in their own way. The third reason is, of course, that I wanted to have branding of YouTube. YouTube is a platform which will help me out to reach to those people who really needs. And as I am the owner of a company, Know Your Fitness, then it will give me the brand image. through YouTube channel. So that's why I have created this channel for you. And of course, if my knowledge, if my talks, and you feel like that you are connected with me, then only you going to pay me, because I am giving you value after taking a value from you. But how are you going to know this thing until and unless you won't see my 1, 2, 3, 5, 10 videos, that what kind of a person I am and what kind of a values and principle my company holds. So that's why I have created this channel. Friends, if you are feeling like that still you are connected with me, then there are other platforms also. Link I'm giving to you. There is an online class of WhatsApp where you can join me for the 5-day WhatsApp classes, so that you can find out more about the nutrition and how you can start your health journey within 5 days. You can join me on my Facebook group. On my Facebook group, I usually give 7 a.m. 20 minutes of classes of the Bring It On Tabata. It is a newly adapted program for those people who are working class and they don't know that how to adapt fitness in their life. So in morning they can get up and start their fitness journey for the 15 to 20 minutes with the modern ways of workouts, of high intensity workouts. Then the third thing which you can do, that you can connect with me on my Telegram channel, so that you will get the knowledge about my future knowledge about that, how you can adapt the fitness in your life for your whole lifetime. Friends, if you're connecting with me in any of this, then I like to invite you in my all the 3 platforms, and I like to give you the whole knowledge and whatever knowledge which I have, which will help you out to start your fitness regime. Friends, it is, believe me, that it is always you. If you believe that you can, then you are right. If you believe you can't, then you are again right. This is your fitness friend Bhupendra signing out for now, and I know that you all can do it. You all just need to know your fitness.